Hi Karun,
Hi there.
what's up?
Angry Bird Arcade.
An Angry Bird arcade?
Yes.
Superb, Karun. Whoa, fantastic. Wow,
This is the
beautiful.
launcher. This is the launcher.
Yeah, I can see that. Wow,
So good, right?
the construction is so good.
Yes. Ow, ow, ow. Some pig fell down. So these are the pigs.
Yeah, looks great. Now explain how it works.
So this is the launcher. So I can pull and just do like that.
Yeah,
It launches the thing, Angry Bird. And
Angry
these are
Birds.
Angry Birds.
Oh wow, the two Angry Birds.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
So these are the pigs.
Great.
They are 2 square and 3 circle pigs.
Good.
So now let's see and launch it.
Yeah,
Let's see how much tries I get
yeah.
to launch.
The construction is so good, Karun. I'm sure
Yeah.
that you spent a lot of time working on it and improvising it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it is so beautiful.
This cannot get out of my mind at all. It's so good.
Absolutely.
Even it's very interesting to play this.
But these are like realistic games.
You only get this in the video game.
I mean, yeah, it's in the video game, but this is physical, right? You actually created the physical.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Because the Angry Bird, see, it knows it's going to win, so that's why it's keeping the face like that. That's why they are scared and running away.
Okay,
Okay. So now let's launch.
let's launch.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, superb. That was great.
I knocked all of the 4 pigs down.
Yeah, absolutely. Good job, Karun. You also practiced so well that hit it the right amount of force. You didn't make all the items get dismantled, right? You just gave enough
Yeah.
force. Beautiful. Good.
Now it cannot escape from me, I think.
You hit exactly that piggy.
Yeah.
Beautiful, Karun. I mean, this is fantastic. Great job. I'm sure all this is your own imagination.
Yeah.
And I like the way you have given the teeth in front.
Yeah.
It gives that really woody feeling there, right there.
Yeah.
And this construction is just superb, Karun. Good job, Karun.
Thank you.
Absolutely fantastic. Great job.
And I like playing with it too.
You have the skill where you also construct the game,
Yeah.
and you are in an age where I'm playing this game and enjoying it at the same time.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of it. Great job, Karun.
Yeah. So let's knock it down once more.
Okay.
And so. Okay. Let's see. Oh, the guy's in the edge. I can loot in this. I can it down also. What? Maybe I'll hit. At the bike.
Brilliant. Give a high five. Good job. Great job, Karun.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.